Hello guys, today we are creating a basic application in React Native. We will write a calculator. Let's start. First I will run Android virtual device. I'm running Android Studio for this. If you didn't install React Native environment, I recorded a video for this. I will add in the description, as you can see the video here. Anyway, now I am starting Android device manager. Yes, here I have my device, virtual device. I started. Here our device is ready. Maybe when you start it first time it can wait a bit. I started this before. Anyway, now I can close the other applications. Android Studio, we just use it for running our Android device. Now we will create our application, our project for calculator. Let's go our folder, and here we open control prompt. We go React Native, our folder. Here we will write now it's creating the dependencies and the file and folders. We will wait for a while, so I pause the video. I continue later. It's done. We created our application here. Let me start it with Visual Studio. Okay, now we will run our project. I prefer to run here. We go View and Terminal. Here I will write React Native run Android. Yes. Now it will run our Android application in the emulator. I will close this one. This one was mine when I create my React Native application. This one I won't touch. It opened automatically. It will stay like this always. Here I wait to run our application in our virtual device. I'll pause the video. It will take time, it seems. Yes, now it's finished. I didn't do anything else. I just wait. Now our application is running in our virtual device. Let's look at the files React Native created for us. This is like an empty application. We just see here text. Let's open our app.js. This file, the code in this file, it's running here. I won't go to details of the other files. I will just tell you that app.js, our first coding file, we will do our changes here. Also we can add another file, but here I will do everything in this video because this example is a basic example. So let's do some changes and see what will happen. Selection. We delete this. Delete. Okay, it can stay. Delete. Let's see. Here normally for seeing the changes you need to press R keyword double, but I don't like this by the way, so I will make it automatically. For this I will go to the document, no, debugging, yes. Here it's telling what should we do. We should open a developer menu for enabling live reload. Yes, let's do it. When we type this here, we see developer menu, so here we will click enable live reload. Okay, let's go here again. And we don't need to do anything else, just what we write, it will be here automatically. Let's do that if we can do it. Yes, I will try to do this also. Will be like this, just yeah. So now what we will do is we will want input from the user. So here I will write text input value will be for now. Okay, let's add this from React Native. Okay, here yes, we will have some error, but don't worry, just test it for now. Text input, what we'll see. Yes, when you get error you need to click reload in that page. Now we don't see anything. For seeing the text we can write placeholder. Yes, first number, second number we will want. We need to add a button. We give a title, it can be plus. Okay, just for seeing our button there. Oh, it's yes, we need to add our button here. Now we will see our button. Our button is here. Okay, now I will add our constructor here for using React state. Our states are here. First it will be our first number and total, second number and total. Then here we will write on press let's create a function here on addition, and when we plus something we will call this function. what we will do, we will tell them the inputs. We use input for taking the data. Also we use button for doing the process. But now in React we keep the data in states. So here I will use value as this not this dot state dot first. Also for this second. Okay. The data we are keeping from here. In this, when we press this button, it will do the process. Now we need a text for writing our total here. It means when we calculate something, we will write the result here. We can say result, but no. Okay, let's come here. So we need to take the first and the second number. For this I take it from state, from this that state. This means take these variables from this state. It means like for first it could be like first or second, but I take both from this variable. You can think like this. Here I need to check if the inputs are number, because just think, if I don't do it, what will happen? Let's see. And we will write it in total. Set state total let's see, it wrote 0. Why it wrote this? Here field, yes, we need to write here on change text, yes, text for changing the state, because the data is keeping state in React, as I told before. So here we need to write the input which we change, we write from virtual device to the state. Okay, let's write it. Text, you can say set state first text, yes. So we copy this one and paste here. Second text, yes. Let's see. 1 and 2. Yes. Actually, this one I was expecting. For not seeing this result, we need to translate the data to number. Let's do it. Number plus number. Okay. Sometimes it's not refreshing, so I press R. Let's see what will happen now. 3. Yeah. But let's make all the information in normal style. Okay, this is better, I think. For now it can be better. 1, 2. Okay. What if we enter something else, not number? It will give error. Yes. Okay. We can put a control, but we don't need, because it's not giving error, it's just showing the result different. So for not seeing this result, we can put only number. That's easy. Okay, this was easy actually. So I will add another buttons and another functions for the other calculations. Example, for subtraction, for division, for multiplication. Okay, we'll create functions for them also. I will copy paste because it will be almost the same. For okay, let's give name subtraction on division on multiplication. Let's put the function in there, paste and see. Now we will change here for their right process. Yeah, this will plus subtraction, division and multiplication. Okay, let's try 5 and 3, 8. Yes, all the things are correct. So finally we finish it. In this video all the process was this. What we did, let me just show you. We saw here text, how to use text, view, text input, button, style sheet. Actually we didn't use this, so we remove it because I just want it to be basic, just for fundamentals I want to show. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoy it. I just tried to give you something. I hope I did it. Thank you for watching me. If you like it, please press like button as always. Thank you so much.